In today's video, I'll show you how to easily sort month names in Google Sheets into proper calendar order. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open your browser and go to sheets.google.com. Then log in with your Google account. Open the sheet that contains your list of month names. Next, insert a new column right beside your month names. In the first cell of this new column, type this formula equals match A2 January, February, March, April, May, June, July, October, November, December 0. Press enter and you will see the month converted into its numerical order. Drag the fill handle down to copy the formula for the rest of your months. Now highlight your entire data, including the helper column. Click on the data menu, then choose create a filter. Use the filter on the helper column and sort A to Z. Your list will now be sorted in the correct calendar order. If you want a cleaner look, just hide the helper column and that's it. Your months are perfectly sorted in Google Sheets. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart tips.